Hello everyone. Today I am excited to talk about a topic that is revolutionizing how we protect our digital world, artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. My name is Sivan and I will be walking you through how AI is being used to enhance cyber defense and the challenges and the future of this growing field. Let us begin with a quick overview. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly crucial role in modern security. As cyber attacks become more complex and frequent, traditional defense mechanisms are struggling to keep up. And that's where AI steps in. Machine learning, a subset of AI, helps detect anomalies, automate response, and reduce the need for manual monitoring. A great real-world example would be AI-powered threat detection system used in large enterprises network. These systems monitor thousands of endpoints 24/7, identifying and responding to threats in real time. Roles Role of an AI in cybersecurity. Now, what exactly does AI do in cybersecurity? There are four main roles: threat detection, automated incident response, fraud prevention, behavioral analysis. Threat detection. AI can analyze huge volume of network traffic to identify threats quickly and efficiently. Automated incident response. Once AI can take immediate Once a threat is detected, AI can take immediate action like isolating a compromised system. Fraud prevention. AI model detects suspicious behavior such as phishing attempts or credit card fraud. Behavioral analysis. AI tracks user behavior and flags anything abnormal, which could signal an insider threat or compromised account. AI driven threat detection. Let us dive a bit deeper into AI threats detection capabilities. AI learns from past cyber attacks to predict new ones, even though it has never seen one before. It can identify zero-day vulnerabilities. These are newly discovered security flaws that haven't been patched yet. AI also uses natural language processing to read emails and detect phishing attempts. A good example of this is IBM's Watson for cyber security, which uses AI to analyze cybers which analyze AI to analyze security data and give insight to analysts. Machine learning in cybersecurity. Here is a breakdown of how different type of machine learning are used in cybersecurity. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. This uses labeled data. Think of a spam filters trained on emails marked as spam or not. This is a supervised learning, which learns through labeled data. Unsupervised learning, it detects new unknown threats by finding pattern in unlabeled data, which it finds through how the patterns have been followed in the past, mails, etc. Reinforcement learning. This helps AI improve its response over time by learning from the outcome of its past actions. It learns from the past. One real world case. Google uses AI to detect and remove malware infected app in the Play Store before they reach users. Benefits of AI in cybersecurity. So why is everyone investing in AI for cybersecurity? What are the benefits of AI? The benefits are powerful. AI is faster in detecting the threats and responding to it. fewer false positive, which means analysts don't waste time chasing harmless issues, enhanced automation and scalability, real-time monitoring, and better forensic analysis for after a breach. In short, AI makes cybersecurity more efficient and effective. Challenges of AI in cybersecurity. Even though it has so much of benefits, AI faces lots of challenge. However, AI is not a silver bullet. There are some serious challenges. AI models can be fooled by adversarial attack, where hackers feed misleading data to manipulate the system. The cost of implementing advanced AI solution is still very high. AI can also generate false alarm, which may cause unnecessary panic or operational issues. And finally, there are ethical concerns. Should AI be allowed to make decisions about blocking users or shutting down systems? These challenges are faced by AI in cybersecurity too. Okay, I have brought you a case study, a real world case study. In 2021, Microsoft used AI based threat protection to detect a staggering 20 million cyber threats per day. They, sorry, they employ deep learning to identify and stop ransomware attacks before they could cause damage. This not only protected data but also saved millions in potential financial losses, especially in banking sector. Future of AI in cybersecurity. Looking ahead, the future of AI in cybersecurity is incredibly promising. We are moving toward autonomous AI systems that can defend network on their own. Blockchain integration with AI could enhance security and transparency. Quantum computing, once matured, combined with AI, could help detect high sophisticated attacks. And we may even see self-healing networks where AI detects and fix vulnerabilities automatically. In conclusion, AI is transforming cybersecurity by improvising detection, response, and prevention. Machine learning models are evolving every day to keep up with ever changing threats. But as we embrace AI, we must also address the challenges, both technical and ethical, that comes with it. Thank you all for listening.